Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today's doodle is going to be Mr. Snake from the new Bad Guys movie. So let me know in the comments below if you've seen this movie yet or not. I have not seen it, but I am very excited to. Alright, so let's start drawing Mr. Snake with the eyes. I'm going to start with the eyebrow. So let's go on up and then slant downward. And these are pretty thick eyebrows. And we can color those all in. Okay, so now let's do the eyeball. Okay, so you can see here on the bottom, it's kind of flat. And now inside the eye, we're going to do an oval and have a little circle there towards the top, and then we can color the rest in all dark. And up here with the eyebrow, we're going to do a little line like that. Kind of like he's looking a little, maybe he's looking a little mean or a little angry or a little suspicious. And next, let's do the other eyebrow. So we slant on up. And then come on down a bit. And we're going back downward. And we can color that all in. All right, so now we're gonna come down a little bit. And this eye is gonna be a bit different from this one. This one's gonna be a bit of a funny shape. It's like that. And we can come on down with that oval and have our little circle inside and color the rest in dark. And we can do a little line right here too. And now we're going to make a curved shape right here and give him a little nostril on each side. All right, so he's gonna be wearing his hat. So I'm gonna do a line right here, top of his head. And this line right here that I just did, this is gonna be the start of the hat. So it's gonna be a little bit curved there. So it just kind of comes up like a little hill. And then we can bring that line there to the other eyebrow. And then we got a little bit of the hat right there. So on this side, we're coming in this way. And we can do a bit of a curve right there. We curved a little bit and came on back here. And now we can come on up. Kind of curve the top right there and come on out straight. And then we can come down a little bit, but we're not going to come all the way down yet because we're going to put a little circle right there, and then we can bring the line all the way down. So next, we can do another line right here, and we got the hat done. So now coming from right here, and come on out a little bit. Curve. And over here, we're going to come on down from the eyebrow a bit. And we came on out and we're coming back in. And right here, we're going to give a little funny shape like that. And we'll come on up like that. And give him a tongue. We got one end of the tongue and another end. And come on in. Snakes have such cool tongues. And I got a little line here, so that's a little part of his tooth, but we can't really see it very well because of the way his tongue is. And we can put another little tooth right here. And we can continue on with the mouth right here, we got a line. And then this line here can come on here to the tongue. And it'll come down a little bit right here. And then we'll go this way and connect those lines. So now we've got the head. So I'm just going to put a little curve right here so we can see his little mouth is open. And so let's draw his body. So we can do a little line here and come on down. We can go this way and we can come on down that way. And of course, we can just follow that line that we made. Like that. And if we want to do the red shirt that he wears, we can do a little V shape right here. You don't have to do the red shirt if you don't want to. We can do a little line right there. We can put a circle here for the button. And we got one part of the shirt there. We can come on down. And another part right there. And come on down. And I'm going to put a line right there and one right there. Okay, and so now I'm going to do another line following the shape of his body. Coming on down like that. And now we have him all drawn. So I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing of Mr. Snake. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.